Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joey again, and I just want to say what's going on with you guys. Hey guys, what's going on? What's happening, Detector Nation? It's Joey again, and I just want to give you a little brief update as to my Nokta Makro Simplex repair that I had the other day that I needed because the speaker went bad and I sent it in for warranty. I had some questions concerning that company, WeDig, if they were on the level, because I never heard of them. And many of you guys chimed in and told me you had great experiences with that company, and that the guy that owns it, Andy, is on the level. So I just went ahead and sent it in, and I just want to let you know I did get the detector back. All is well, all is working, speaker's back on again. And I gotta tell you, man, the turnaround time on that. I sent it in USPS on the 18th. It took like 2 days to get up there, and I didn't get any kind of a hassle, any kind of a question or anything. The only email that I actually got back was from Andy, letting me know that my return was back in the mail and that it would be back here momentarily. And I just got it today. Knock on the door, sent back UPS, and what's today, the 25th? So it took like less than a week, man, from package, sent in, repaired, and sent back. 7 days, dude. So if you guys have any kind of questions whatsoever, hey man, you know what, I'm just gonna give you my real experience with that company. WeDig, Andy O'Neill, those guys are on the level and they're top notch. So guys, thank you very much. Quick little straight to the point video. I give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. If I had more hands, I would give 4 thumbs up. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back on my next video. Thanks.